Hi everyone, welcome back to my drum and bass masterclass. My name's Spektiv. Today we're going to be taking a look at how to create breaks that work within drum and bass. So drums are the core of drum and bass, I say. Well, it's one half of it at least. Whether you're going for minimal, rolling, or you like a live sounding vibe, like kind of jungle breaks. Getting the breaks right is essential to making every track hit with energy. In this session, we're going to be walking through a few things. I'm going to be looking at the history behind, the most iconic breaks, the three that I can think of, which are here. How to create your own breaks in Addictive Drummer. I'm going to be kind of breaking it down into taking elements from breaks like this, and how to be able to build them from scratch and incorporate how to use MIDI and swing to get a different feel for each one. Techniques for layering and mixing as well, and just how to generally process and achieve polished and professional all-round drums. So let's get started into it.